Morning guys, John from Rural Homesteaders here. Today we're going to be adding more bees to our hives, so I thought I'd show you kind of what that looks like. So here's a couple of our hives right here. This one is a flow hive base. This is the part that collects the honey right there. This is a Langstroth over here, and I've put the top over there. As you can see, we just got a ton of bees. Bees are looking nice and healthy. We ended up pulling all the bees out of the frame over here, the flow hive frame, because I want to clean up, see how they make a mess out of the top, and I want to get all that cleaned up for the new year. I want to trim off a bunch of this wax that they've got here, and they've dropped some comb in the bottom, so I want to clean up that bottom board and get that all cleaned up. So all I do is keep them in order, and then I lay the frames out and I let the bees just kind of run around on them out here. They won't go far. It's a nice, cool, shady day, so they're not interested in flying away and going out and finding any honey right this minute. So we got some bees. We just got the bees in the container with the queen, and so we'll be putting these bees in as the sun goes down, and we get a little more. It gets a little cooler out and a little darker out, so they don't fly away on us. And then we'll clean up some. You see how we've got some comb growing over the edges at the bottom? We'll clean that up at this point. But we got plenty of empty hives, empty frames in the hives that we're going to be able to put in there. Look how beautiful that is. That's the comb that they built. Some of the stuff I start with frames that actually have some formation to them over already, and then some like these I just let them go in and build their own comb, so that we have honeycomb, because it's always nice to have a little bit of honeycomb. And I'll end up pulling all the rest of these frames out and cleaning this hive back up, and then putting it back together before nightfall, and then we'll get some more bees situated. These blue things you see right here are waterers. They'll go on top of these frames when we get the frames going, and the bees can climb up into the bottom of them to get water. They go up through these cracks on the bottom, and so we'll be cleaning these up as well, and cleaning out all the stuff in the top of it, and that'll be up and running by the end of the day. Thanks for watching.